and welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Okay, today we are going to learn awareness subject. So children, do you remember what we have learned in the last episode? Which topic we have learned? Yes, very good. We have learnt about vehicles. So you all have understood now what are vehicles? Yes or no? You can able to identify the names of the vehicles, right? Okay, so it is very important while we are traveling or while we are driving, that time we have to follow some safety rules about the vehicles. Yes or no? Whenever we are driving on the road, that time we have to follow some safety rules which are made by the traffic police for us. Okay, they are for our betterment. Okay, so we have to keep some safety rules in our mind whenever we are walking on the road, whenever we are going from one side to another to the road side. Okay, so first we will see some important video. I will show you one important video. You have to observe that and you will be able to understand what we are going to learn today. Okay, so you have to fold your hands and pay attention on the board. Okay,
safety on road. We should always follow some safety rules on the road. Always use zebra crossing while crossing the road.
see, always we should follow some safety rules on the road. Okay, the very first safety rule on the road is always use zebra crossing while crossing the road. Okay, you can see zebra crossing on the road. Zebra crossing means it is a black and white color, strip color like zebra. One footpath type of road is there in the center of the road that you have to use while crossing the road. Okay, whenever you all are walking on the road, that time for your betterment, for your safety, you have to always use zebra crossing. Okay, you have to cross the road only by using zebra crossing. Okay,
look at both sides before crossing the road.
second thing is you have to look at the both sides before crossing the roads. You have to see to your left, also to your right, any vehicles they are coming. First you have to see that and then you have to cross the road. Okay,
do not run on the road.
do not run on the road. You should never run. Okay, you should not run on the road. Always you should walk on the road properly with some elder person. Okay, like your mother, father. You should not go alone on the road. Okay, and you should not run on the road.
Do not play.
Do not play on the road. Okay, always you should play in the garden. Okay, on the road you should not play.
On the road. Always walk on the pavement.
Always walk on the pavement. Pavement means what? Yes, what is mean by pavement? Pavement is a footpath at the side of the road. You can see here, this is a footpath and that is known as pavement. Always you should use that footpath, that pavement, to walk on the road. Okay, means you should always walk on the pavement. So once again you have to observe this video and follow all the safety rules that are made for safety for us. Okay, means safety on road, that rules we have to follow. So observe this video once again.
Safety on road. We should always follow some safety rules on the road. Always use zebra crossing while crossing the road. Look at both sides before crossing the road. Do not run on the road. Do not play on the road. Always walk on the pavement.
Understood? So now you have to take out your awareness skill book. Take out your awareness skill book, page number 5454. Okay, now see here, safety on road. Okay, now you all have come to know what is the meaning of safety on road. Yes, have you all understood? Okay, so you should always follow some safety rules on the road. Okay, so the very first rule is always, repeat after teacher, always use zebra crossing while crossing the road. Okay, so always you have to use zebra crossing while crossing the road. Second one is look at both sides before crossing the road. You should see to your both the sides first. Okay. Third one is do not run on the road. See, you can see here a car is coming from this side and this child, he is running. So you should never run on the road. Okay. See how it looks. It is dangerous for us. Okay. Yes. So you should do not run on the road. Next one is do not play on the road. See the child how is playing on the road. So it is not good for us. Okay. So you should not play on the road. Understood? Always walk on the pavement. Okay. You should use the footpath which is at the side of the road for walking. Okay. So these safety rules you have to keep in your mind. Understood? Now turn the page, take out the next page of your book, that is page number 5555. See here. Now what you can see here? Tell me, come on, what is this? Very good. Traffic lights. Where you can see this traffic lights? Yes, you can see this traffic lights on the road. Okay. At a proper distance there are some traffic signals. Okay.
Traffic lights. Traffic lights help you to cross safely. Red color says stop. Yellow says slow down. Green says go. Traffic lights. Traffic lights help you to cross safely. Red color says stop.
See, in this traffic lights, in a traffic signal, you can see three colors of lights are there. The first one is red color, second one is yellow color, and the third one is green color. So these three lights, they indicate something. Okay. So what does red light says? It says stop. S-T-O-P, stop. Stop means you have to stop your vehicle. You should not drive. Okay. See, whenever you can see red color light in the traffic signal, that time you have to stop your vehicle there only. Okay. You should not drive. So red light says stop. What does red light says? Red light says stop.
Stop. Yellow says slow.
Yellow color, what this yellow color light it says? Slow down. Means what you have to do? You can slow down your vehicle. You can start and wait till green color light is on. Okay. You just have to start your vehicle slowly till green color light it is on. Okay.
Slow down. Green says go.
Green color light, what it says? Green color light says go. Means green color light says now it is safe to you to proceed. Okay. You can take your vehicle and ride now. Okay. So have you all understood these three color lights, what they indicates? Red color says stop. Yellow color says slow down. Green color says go. Okay. So these three lights, they indicate some safety rules for us, which are very useful for us. So always on the road, always driving on the road, you should take care of this traffic lights. Okay. You should say to your parents, what is the meaning of red light? Stop. Yes. Second, yellow color light, slow down. And third one, green color light is go. So you have to keep this thing in your mind, and also you have to say to your parents. Okay. Whenever you see the traffic signal, whenever you can see the traffic lights, you should be able to identify what this each color light it indicates and what it says. Okay. So this thing you have to keep in your mind. Understood? Now see here what is given. Same thing. Traffic lights help you to cross the road safely. If you will follow the traffic rules, then it will be safe for you. Okay. So always you have to stop your vehicle when you see which color light? Red color. Very good. When you will slow down your vehicle, which color light when you see? Yes, when you see yellow color light, that time you have to slow down. Okay. And when you will ride your vehicle, when you will go, which light is on, that time you will on your vehicle? Yes, green color. Green color says go. So here now there is a traffic signal. Okay. So color the traffic lights. This activity you have to do at home. Write here H.W homework. Okay. Now tell me which is the first color light. You can see traffic light red. Very good. You have to color here red. Second one is yellow and third one is green. So this you have to do at home. Okay. Understood what is the meaning of traffic lights? Okay children, have you all understood? So have you all understood about the traffic lights? What is, now tell me, how many colors are there in a traffic light? Come on, tell me which colors are there. Yes, how many colors are there? Very good. There are 3 colors in a traffic light. So which one is the first? Come on, tell me. First light color, which it is? Yes, red color. Second one is yellow color. Very good. And the third one is green color. So whenever you see these traffic lights on the road, you should follow them. Okay. Also you can see a traffic police. Yes or no? Have you all seen any time? Near this traffic signal, you can see a traffic police. Why he is there? Yes, come on, tell me why the traffic police is there near the signal? To guide us. Yes or no? He will control all the traffic that is on the road. Yes or no? Traffic police, he controls the traffic and he guides us when to stop, when to slow down and when to go. Along with these lights, this red, yellow and green lights, the traffic police, he also help us to follow the traffic rules. Yes or no? Yes. So you have to color this traffic signal at home. So children, have you all understood what we have learned today? Yes, what we have learned? Come on, tell me what are the what things you should follow for the safety on road? Yes, the very first thing is what you are going to do? Always use zebra crossing while crossing the road. See this children, how they are walking on the zebra crossing? Same thing you have to follow. Yes or no? Okay. Look at the both side before crossing the road. First you have to see to your left, then right, and then you have to walk on the zebra crossing. Third one is, what is there? What is given here? do not run on the road, do not play on the road, and always walk on the pavement. Okay, so have you all understood? So children, which topic we have learned today? Yes, we have learned safety on road. So safety on road means you have to follow some safety rules that are safe for you. Okay, that are safe for you. If you will follow the rules, you will be safe. Okay, so have you all understood about safety on road? What things you all are going to follow? Tell me. Yes, you all are going to follow the traffic lights. Yes or no? First you have to follow the traffic lights. When you, where you can see the traffic lights? At the traffic signal, right? What red color light says? Stop. Very good. Yellow color light, it says slow down, and green color light, it says go. Okay, so you have to follow all these traffic rules, all the traffic rules that are made for our safety. Okay, that are made only for our safety. So we have to follow them and we have to drive our vehicles. Okay, so children, I hope that you all have understood our today's topic. So meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.